Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Drawing with Mr. Sepulveda. I'm Mr. Sepulveda, and Merry Christmas to you all, and a big thank you to you guys that have been here counting down the 12 days of Christmas with us as we created 12 pieces of Christmas art, and we really hope that you guys enjoyed it, created some amazing art pieces using watercolor paint, alcohol markers, oil pastels, and more. And because it's Christmas and we're in the spirit of giving, I'm going to give you one more art video that's Christmas related, and I will be creating Scooby Doo, one of my favorite characters of all time, and I'll be creating him in 4 different Christmas styles. So I've got Santa Scooby, Elf Scooby, Candy Cane Scooby, and Gingerbread Scooby. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and again, Merry Christmas from my family to yours.